Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to discuss about aloe vera plant leaves turning brown and how to fix these aloe vera plants. In most of the cases, the leaves are turning brown because of the results of overwatering the plant. So the soil should be moist but not saturated or soggy. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. This will help your aloe vera plant leaves. In other cases, you may find brown spots on the tips of your aloe vera leaves. This is due to the exposure of your aloe vera plant to direct sunlight. So you have to immediately transfer your aloe vera plant to an area with sufficient amount of sunlight or no direct sunlight. The yellowing and browning of your aloe vera plant leaf can also occur due to the aloe vera spot. Aloe vera does best in a shallow pot with drainage holes and wide enough to accommodate width of its roots. The selection of your potting plant for your aloe vera is also important. You have to select potting soil suitable for cactus. In this soil, aloe vera can grow very well. The leaves will be healthy too. The size of your aloe vera for potting should be larger than the 1/3 larger than the root system. In this size only aloe vera can grow. This was another aloe vera plant which I have transplanted into another pot and now it's growing very well. So that's it for today guys. These are the tips for saving a dying aloe vera plant or saving an aloe vera plant when its leaves starts to turn yellow or brown. You have to really take care when it's turning yellow or brown. So that's it for today guys. If you like my videos, hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll catch up with another video. Thank you.